you need to buy good tools. I don't know. Screwdrivers, shit of the shit. Tell him.
Huh?
Tell him to buy good screwdriver with a good set.
But he needs to buy something he doesn't listen.